Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to go about resolving if you're having an unsupported video type or invalid file path error message on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this error is caused by unsupported file format, missing a codec, and corrupted file. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to enable the IIS in Windows. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung control panel. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung open. At dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung arrow na yan, and then i-click lang. And next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung large icon para makita mo lahat yung settings. And then next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung programs and features. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung turn Windows features on or off. So click mo lang yan. And then, dito sa Windows features on or off, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito or i-locate mo dito yung Internet Information Services. So, kailangan mo lang i-click tong positive sign. So, click mo lang yan. And then, next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Web Management Tool. So, i-click mo ulit itong positive sign. And then, next step, kailangan mo lang i-check tong box yung ISS Management Console. So, check mo lang yung box. And then next step ay dito sa IIS Management Service. So, check mo lang tong box. And then once na check mo na tong box, yung dalawang ISS, and then i-click mo lang dito yung OK. So, click mo lang yan. And wait natin na ma-complete yung searching for required files and process. Okay, so Windows completed the requested changes, and then close lang natin yan. And then other solution na pwede natin gawin is to clearing browser cache. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. So note ko lang na any web browser yung pwede mong i-clear yung browser cache. Either Microsoft, Firefox, or yung Chrome. Okay? So, for this tutorial, open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. At dito lang sa upper right side, kailangan mo lang i-click yung tatlong dot. And then next step, scroll down and select mo lang dito yung settings. At dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung privacy and security. So, click mo lang yan. At dito sa right side, under dito sa privacy and security, makikita mo kaagad dito yung delete browsing data. So, i-click mo lang yan. Alright, so dito sa delete browsing data, so may dalawang option dito na basic and then yung advanced. Okay, so select mo lang dito yung advanced, and then i-check mo lang tong browsing history, and then dito sa download history, and then yung cookies and other site data, i-check mo lang yan, and then dito sa cache, images, and files, naka-check. At dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung delete data, so i-click mo lang yan, and wait natin na ma-complete. Okay, so once it's complete, so close lang natin tong browser natin. At dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix unsupported video type or invalid file path error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.